If you are addicted to certain vices such as alcohol, drugs, lust, etc., never say that I can stop those sin anytime when I want it. I have a strong willpower and I can come out of those sin anytime. Those who think like this boast in their own strength and neglect the grace of God. We must understand that we can never on our own come out of those addictions. We must run away from those situations which can put us into sin or those areas we are weak and can fall into temptation. If we cling on our will power, we will fail miserably and would be destroyed by Satan. King David was a man close to the heart of God. Once, when king usually goes to war, David did not go for war but stayed back in palace, and as he was taking a walk he saw a woman taking bath, and that woman was Bathsheba, the wife of Uriah. David did not move from that and continued to look at that woman. Lust entered into him and he committed sin with Bathsheba. David made a mistake when he continued to watch that woman taking bath. Had he moved from there, he would have avoided that sin. David trusted in his own willpower, and as a result, he fell into sin for which he had to suffer many consequences. Therefore, it is necessary to depend upon the grace of God to avoid sin and sinful situation. We are living in a world where sin creeps at our doorstep and want to consume us. But we must be alert and shield ourselves with the word of God. Never to depend upon our own willpower, but to depend on God for everything.